Here are some bridal shower themes that will definitely be trending and exactly how you can start styling them. Sea Witchery is kind of a dark, mystical, and coastal theme. Think pearl whites, ocean blues, and moody metallics. Reef chargers, glass candle holders, blue taper candles, and blue wine goblets for that enchanted under-the-sea energy. The Martha Stewart Garden Party. Soft greens, florals, and classic whites, blue and white linens, floral napkins, glass vases, and outdoor-inspired table settings make this a classic choice from the OG influencer herself. Castlecore is romantic and dramatic. Rich burgundy, stone gray, antique gold. Go heavy on velvet tablecloths, drapery, gold flatware, vintage-style goblets, and dramatic taper candles for that old-world fairy tale feel. The Wellness Retreat, this one's calm, clean, and minimalist. Sage, cream, and soft neutrals are the color palette. Use linen tablecloths, glass drink dispensers, spa-inspired glassware, and fresh greenery to create that luxe wellness getaway feel. Berry and Love is bold and playful. Reds, pinks, and gingham prints. Use berry-toned tablecloths, balloon garlands, dessert stands, and statement florals for a flirty, fun setup. She Found Her Honey is a warm, sunny, and charming theme with yellows, creams, and honey tones. Lots of honeycomb accents, amber glassware, sunflower florals, and soft neutral linens that feel sweet but still adulty. Love is Brewing is cozy and chic with espresso brown, cream, and gold accents. Coffee bar setups, brown table linens, gold rim glassware, and balloon arches make this perfect for the modern bride. And the Perfect Pear is fresh, clean, and modern. Sage green, soft whites, and pear accents. Use green linens, simple centerpieces, modern glassware, and minimal tablescapes for a polished look. Everything you need to recreate these looks is at eFavormart.com. Save this for later and start planning.